Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create your very own custom VPC. That's your virtual private cloud. Now, if you are just starting with cloud networking, no worries. I'm going to take it nice and slow, step by step, keep it super simple. We're going to set up public and private subnets, pick availability zones, and more. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What is a VPC? Think of it like your own private neighborhood in AWS. You get to control everything: IP addresses, subnets, routing, firewalls, you name it. It's your little corner of the cloud, all set up exactly how you want it. Alright, let's jump into the action. First thing first, head to your AWS Management Console, pick your region. I'm gonna go with the US East one. Now in the search bar, type VPC and click on VPC. Click on Create VPC, choose VPC and more. Name your VPC. I'm going to call mine Nova VPC. Choose an IPv4 CIDR block. This sets the range of your network's IP address. AWS defaults your VPC to 10.0.0.0/16 CIDR block. Since this range is common, choose an alternative to avoid IP conflicts, especially during a VPC peering. So I'm gonna choose, instead of 10, 12. For IPv6 CIDR block, leave it as is. For tenancy, leave it as a default or keep it as a default. This means your instance will share servers with other AWS customers. Scroll down to number of availability zones and public and private subnet. Select two availability zones. This is where your VPC will live across the AWS region. Set the number of public subnets to 2 and the number of private subnets also to 2. Scroll down. Leave NAT gateways as a default, none. For VPC endpoint, keep that as a none for now. Once you have filled out, click the orange button to create VPC. AWS will now do its magic and build your VPC for now. It's enable DNS support, create your subnets, set up an internet gateway, and build the routing tables. Once done, click the orange button to view VPC. On the left side, under Filter by VPC, filter your newly created VPC. Click on this one to view the detailed information about VPC ID, state, DNS hostname, and your IPv4 CIDR block. Scroll down to see resource map. Now let's check out the components now. Click on subnets. You might need to refresh the page and you will see your two public and two private subnets. So click on the refresh button here. Here are the two public and two private subnets. Click on route tables to see the associated route table with your VPC. Click on internet gateway to see which gateway is attached to your VPC. Scroll down to security tab and click on Network ACL to review your inbound and outbound rules. Click right here. This is the inbound rules, and this is the outbound rules. Click on Security Groups to view your security group. Click right here, and you can view inbound and outbound rules as well. Scroll up and click on your VPC. And that's it. You just created your very own custom VPC, complete with the public and private subnets. Now your VPC is all set up and ready for launching servers, databases, or whatever exciting projects you have in mind. But hey, it's time to clean up after yourself. Don't forget to delete your newly created VPC to avoid any unwanted charges. So just head back to VPC dashboard, select your VPC, go to Action and delete VPC. In the confirm deletion, type delete. and hit delete. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.